Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how you can check your battery voltage through the vehicle's menu options. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not sure if this menu and everything looks completely the same, but it should be similar if not the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To see the battery voltage, you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you'll be looking at this small screen on the instrument cluster. So you want to press the down button once. This will get you the vehicle info, and then keep pressing right until you reach the battery voltage information. Okay, it's right here, so it's 14.4, and this is how it's supposed to be. Now when the vehicle is running, it should always be over 14 to my knowledge. So this is how you can check it without using the multimeter and manually doing it. So this vehicle offers you this option. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.